Hello, people. See, after long, I've come here with a book review because as of yesterday, I finished reading this. Like, finished 432 pages of Leaving the Saints, one child story of survival and hope. Now, Martha Beck, she's a Harvard educated psychologist, whose her writing style is something else, so but this particular book, it's all about her journey of basically she was abused as a child, so that's a little. And her family is into the Mormon church. The person who abused her was a very top person, who he was a family member and a very top ranking official or whatever in the Mormon church. So writing this 432 page book, which you can see right now, must have called for a superhuman effort. So do try and read this book, people, or any book by Martha Beck, because her writing is stellar. So, in fact, Expecting Adam is another book by her, and I'm like tempted to get online and see if I can get the, you know, buy the ebook version. Now, ebooks is the new thing. Yeah. So, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.